Savance EIOBoard is a user-friendly electronic in-out board that allows staff to sign in and out of work and so much more. Beyond just a system for tracking attendance and location, we offer a solution to quickly improve communication and productivity with real-time updates, built-in automation, and access from anywhere. Know how long someone will be out, when they plan to return, whether they're out to lunch, in a meeting, or even traveling from site to site. Update status, post announcements, send notes through pop-up instant messaging, group chat, email, text messages, or on the desktop. View customizable contact information like phone numbers, extensions, emails, departments, and easily sort and filter company-wide searches. Audit reports with tracking tools for payroll and human resources. There's even more flexibility with the browser-based application with no installation required, and responsive mobile versions on Apple and Android devices for connectivity anywhere. Harness the latest technology and automation. Savance electronic in-out board can integrate with access control for automatic updates with the scan of a badge. Presence sensing and GPS technology like geo-tracking and geofencing allows for automatic updates in the office, at home, and in the field, with applications beyond the corporate office in various industries. Start small and grow your solution by adding products like Savance large screen displays, staff and visitor check-in kiosks, or emergency mustering. When you need to increase communications, productivity, and accountability, turn to Savance electronic in-out board.